Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya. And welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video very stylish and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance with beautiful haircut. And eye-catching hair dye. And so beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling to short wave and curls. And some ideas spiky hairstyle with beautiful undercut and shaved. And very attractive ideas of messy hairstyles. And different ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. And burgundy hair dye. Light brown, dark brown, black color, ash color. Some ideas, funky colors. And so beautiful, cute and charming ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color. And some ideas in funky colors with light base color. And so stylish and beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, some ideas step, undercut, and very beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. Like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.